Hello everyone, greetings to one and all. I feel extremely enthusiastic and excited to invite you all after almost 2 to 3 months long time. As we all know, the entire world is facing the pandemic in form of coronavirus, which has made it difficult to meet each other. However, the show must go on and we have to continue our study. So we have shifted to online classes to join you all. So in today's session, in small orientation program, I, Dr. Krishna Shastri, and with me, Professor Nandish Upadhyay, will be giving you some basic instructions as to how you have to use the applications to study. Your lectures will start at 2 p.m. every day, which is as per your regular timetable, and you'll be receiving meeting ID and meeting ID password through message from college. You will also be receiving meeting ID and meeting ID password through Google Classroom. Nandish sir will be guiding you how to use Google Classroom in the next video. Firstly, let us understand how you have to use Zoom. If you are using mobile phone, you have to download Zoom and Google Classroom applications by using Play Store or Google Store. If you are using computer, you can download Zoom application or Google Classroom through web browser, or you may not download, but you can just type their names and use them. After having downloaded the Zoom application, at almost 1:50 p.m. or 1:55 p.m., that is to say 5 minutes prior to 2, you have to click on it. If you are using mobile, the icon would look like this. As you click on it, you will see this screen appearance and you have to click on join meeting. Then in meeting ID, you have to write the meeting ID. In student's name, you have to write your name, your full name. And then you have to click on don't connect to audio so that all of you become mute and the faculty can speak clearly. After that, as you click on join, you will see this screen appearance. Here you have to type your meeting ID password and join the meeting. And this is how the lecture will start. If you are using PC or laptop, you know, the Zoom icon that you have downloaded already would look like this. As you click on it, these are the 4 options that you will be seeing. New meeting, join, schedule and share screen, out of which you have to click on join. Then this will be the screen appearance. Here you have to type the meeting ID password. Here you have to write your name. Then click on do not connect to audio and join the meeting. So this is how you will see. This is the screen appearance now. Here you have to type the meeting ID password and join the meeting and your lecture will start. So this is how your lecture will start. This is one session and as per your timetable that will be shared on Google Classroom. You will be having 3 to 4 lectures daily as per your university timetable. After one lecture, you will have 5 minutes break and then another lecture will start from the same link. About Google Classroom, I will request Nandish sir to guide you. That will be done in next video. If you guys have any queries or questions, or if you have anything that you have to share and you have not received the link, you can call on the number which will be shared in the message. With this, we wish you all the best for the new academic year. We expect you all to regularly attend all the classes, as we will be registering your attendance and assessing your assignments on regular basis. You will get instructions regarding Google Classroom in the next video from Nandish sir now. Thank you.
Greetings for the day, students. I, Professor Nandis Upadhyay, will explain you how you will use and utilize the Google Classroom. And it is compulsory for all of you to join in Google Classroom so that you will be notified for the upcoming all the events from the college. So to enroll in Google Classroom, if you are using your PC or desktop, you just need to go to the web browser. In that, you need to write or type Google Classroom. If you are already logged in through the Gmail, then in utilities, scroll it down and you will get the Google Classroom as an option and the link. So I'm just entering the Google Classroom here. Yes, by clicking on the second link which is given to you, Google Classroom, you will have the screen like this. In this particular screen, you will have one option. So you need to join the class by going there. They will ask you the class code, which is already sent to you through the SMS from the college. So I'm having one. So as a student, I have joined in the class and this is my classroom is. So I'll get three options: stream and classwork. So whatsoever the new assignment material quiz which will be circulated by the faculties, I can see into the stream and in the classwork. Even if the quiz and classroom assignment and the material is passed on to you, that will remain and stay in classwork even. So these are the options which I need to explore and which I can utilize and use. So whatsoever the new notices, whatsoever the new notifications, whatsoever the new messages which will be passed on to you, you can see in the stream and in classwork even. For TYBBA students, once you enroll in this class, you will get the link in your stream, which is for your subject selection. By clicking on this link, you will be jumped to a Google form. You can only fill a form once. No correction will be allowed to you. So patiently, you need to fill the form, which is for your third year subject selection. By clicking that, you will get it. And by submitting that form, we will enroll you to your respective subject specialization classes.